Good morning, everyone. For today, Tuesday, we will be working on Ben's Big Ideas. Ben's Big Ideas. Written and illustrated by Maren Roots. Benjamin Franklin is an important person in history. He was born in colonial America. Franklin tried to make his community a better place. Many of his ideas are still used today. In Philadelphia, Franklin started a group called Junto. The group wanted to improve the city, so they created a lending library. They put all the books they owned in the library. Junta sold library memberships to people. Library members could borrow books. This was a new and exciting idea. Today, libraries are found all over the country. Franklin owned a newspaper. He shared his ideas in it. He published articles about fire safety. In this day, fires were common. People used fireplaces to provide heat. They used candles for light. Most buildings were made of wood, so fires spread rapidly. People read Franklin's articles about the dangers of fires. They worried about fire safety, so Franklin created the first volunteer fire department. People were excited to help. Philadelphia became famous for its fire safety, which was the best in the world. Later, Franklin was made the Philadelphia postmaster. He invented a machine to improve mail delivery. He called it the odometer. Franklin attached the odometer to a carriage. This helped figure out the fastest delivery routes. Franklin's efficient system helped deliver mail in half the time. It became the model for the modern United States Postal Service. In Franklin's day, there was no hospitals. Luckily, Franklin still had more ideas. He got permission from the government to build a public hospital. He helped raise money to build one. In 1751, the first hospital in the American colonies was built. The next page. Write your name on the top. Benjamin Franklin was always thinking of ways to make life better. He was an author, a printer, a publisher, a musician, an inventor, a scientist, a statesman, and a diplomat. He believed everyone should be a good citizen. He also believed that by working together for common good, people could accomplish great things. Let's move on to today's activity. Please write your name on the top. Ben's Big Ideas, Lesson 68. Discover Story Library. Vocabulary. Colonial, community, good citizen. Glossary words. Memberships, governments, good citizen. Question number 1. Effect. What was one effect of Franklin publishing articles about fire safety? A. People tried to make Philadelphia safe from fires. B. There was no more fires in cities. C. People stopped using candles in their homes. Please circle the correct answer. Vocabulary. Read this sentence from the article. The government built a public hospital. What does public mean? A. Very large. B. Open to everyone. C. Only for people who have government jobs. Please circle your answer. Setting. Where did this article take place? A. New York City. B. Boston. C. Philadelphia. Please circle your answer. Upon completion, please take a picture of your work and upload to Teams. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to contact your teachers. Have an excellent day.